Hi boys and girls, we're gonna look at the fart sound. Yuck, 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 yucky, 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 yucky. This is so gross, yucky, yucky. Anyway, today, would you like to play color with me? This is purple color. Purple color. We're going to put it in the glass, the purple color, and they are from the goo slimy color. Let's open it. Yuck, this is very yucky. Whoa, yucky. Purple. This is purple color. Yuck! Now the second color we have is yellow. This is yellow color. Yellow. We learn yellow color. Oh, yucky. Yuck. Whoa, my goodness, I make a mess. Yucky. I'm gonna put it on top of the horsey. Oh, yummy. Horsey. Oh my goodness. That is Piggy. Piggy has a slimy. Yucky. This is yellow slimy. Whoa, yucky. Oh my goodness. All right. The third one is pink. This is pink color. Pink color. Look. Oh my goodness. Let's put the pink color on top of the chicken. Chicken. This is pink color. They are so much fun. They are mixed together. This is very slimy. This is very yucky. It doesn't stick though. They're really good. This is a toy, so you can't really eat them, okay? This is supposed to be just for fun. For fun only. Alright, boys and girls, I hope you enjoyed the video. I will see you soon, okay? Bye bye. I will see you later. Bye bye.